everybody. We're back in Orlando. We did want to film earlier in Charlotte, but we literally had to run across the airport to our connecting flight because we were running, what, like 45 minutes late?
Yeah, it was a sprint.
Yeah, they had to switch planes in New Orleans, so we're back here 6 months, where we're at 6 months ago, but this time, as the shirt says, we're Disney bound. So we're heading on to our luggage gate. They're going to get the Magic Express, and we'll catch you on the Magic Express. Bye. Alright guys, luggage right up ahead.
Hey Disney fans, have you ever wanted to know how we make the magic?
Over here.
Well, then we got the podcast for you. I'm Sherry from Disney. I'm Candace from Radio Disney.
And here we are, the most magical place on earth.
Plus, you'll get to hear from the people who make the magic.
Off to Coronado Springs we go. Alright guys, we are going to our first stop, Pop Century. This is one of our popular value resorts on property here. This is our first stop. The buses make 3 stops. We are the second one, so they're going to load these people, then we're off to ours. So, see you on the way to our resort, but real quick, I probably have to voice over this because of Mickey up here. But you see a little bit of Galaxy's Edge in there. Looks like that was merging. But right over here, past this tree line, where it'll be Tuesday. Also, you see something I remember as a little kid. This has been here forever. It'll be here in 2 seconds, I promise, everybody. There's the Plaza Tower Terror pad right there. Now back when kids were over there would move right and forth. But now we're still on our way. Here we are, guys. Coronado Springs. Beautiful Grand Casino Tower. Huh? Oh, well, we have playtime to it. We are at Coronado Springs. We just got our room. I will say 2 things real quick. Only took us 5 minutes to get on the bus to the Magical Express, 30-minute drive. We were the second stop to go to Pop Century, then us. We walked in. Now, we did have it set up for contactless check-in, but we decided we were here, we go check in. Of course, staff, Disney customer service is the best. They actually got us the exact room on for Kayla, which she likes a bathtub. Most 50% of the rooms here have bathtubs, 50% are just showers. So we got that. So here's our room. We are in room, let me flip this over. We are room 8940 in the Cabanas. Of course, this is one of my favorite things to do, is to open a room with my magic band. Oh, sorry about that. So you walk in close to the Los Caballeros. It's the theme here. This is a Southwest themed resort for Disney World. You see, you got the evacuation room like every hotel back here. You got your little reading lights right here. They're built in. Got a little Keurig for your coffee. Got your mini fridge right here. Of course, one thing you'll notice is they revamped this resort in 2019. You will have plugs galore, which I love, which USB ports, and you also have 2 right here. So I was worried about plugging all my stuff for this, so I'm happy there. Of course, you have the big TV where it says Welcome Bride Party. Of course, you have the big bathroom. Got all your Disney amenities right there. You also here have the pump, and like I said, we went with the shower tub combo because Kay likes her bath. Ooh, you have the rain and the detachable. Love it. You got a closet right here. Oh no. But you got a little steamer. You got your ironing board. Extra pillow blanket up there. Of course, you got towels, everything right here. We have 2 queen-size beds because I love my wives, but from a distance. So this is our room. We're about to get something to eat because we have not had anything to eat all day. Our second flight. Our first flight ran 30 minutes late, taking off because they had to switch planes. So we had to, in Charlotte, run from Terminal C to D got there right when they were boarding. All we've both had to get is a muffin today, so that we split. So we'll catch you on a little bit where we walk around the resort enjoying it. Talk to you later. Bye. And we're back. We're just left the room. We're heading over to get something to eat at a little quick service area here. We are both a little angry at the moment. Really? But if you see in the distance, there's Three Bridge Restaurant. There's a couple of the other pavilions out here. It's very beautiful here, I will say. It has a Disney smell, doesn't it? Like the inside of Grand Casino had stuff we need a cantaloupe.
Yeah, I don't know what that smell is, but I like it.
But we could get this one to drive it, but look, this is the newest tower. Built 2019. Like the spiral. Down here's where like Rick's is. The new bar at the bottom. The restaurant up top that is closed right now due to you know what, the word we can't say. Of course, things they have a big chest area right here.
In the cabanas or casinos?
We're in the cabanas.
We can go through this air.
Yeah, we're going to cut through here real quick, y'all. Alright, we'll catch y'all in a bit once we get some grub. We're at Coronado's, which is the quick service here. Candace got a simple bacon cheeseburger. Look at the bun on it. It's like a little brioche bun almost. Seasoned waffle fries.
Oh,
That's
all your
chicken.
things. All your lettuce, tomato, pickle,
Come in little packets.
onions.
They're refrigerated. Of course, we got 2 Cokes.
And we had to get something sweet.
Oh yes, Kayla's been saying that for a while. She's wanted that Rice Krispies with the chocolate on it. So we're gonna have some lunch. We're sorry. Yeah, so all right. So we'll eat and we'll catch y'all later. Guys, we're back. We're in the old lobby. I just want y'all to see it here. How beautiful that is up there. Of course, here's the fountain. This is Ken's cheapest right here, a little store. So you got all the lounge fly bags right here.
Coronado Springs.
Oh, cute. Neat. Look, baby, they had the... I almost got you that lounge fly bag.
Oh yeah, the cats.
Yep. Let's see, they got, of course, mask. And of course, you have to have your ears here. I know. Yes, you will.
That's cute.
That's cute. There's the real popular. Oh, look at that rose gold one right there.
Yeah.
What's the rose gold bowl? Wait, those aren't the expensive ones. Those are the, I who makes them. Oh, that's cheaper than it is online. Oh.
They're headbands.
Do you need a headband?
I mean, like, wow.
Huh?
Need? No.
Want?
That's really cool.
Okay. We have a little necklace if you want one. Earrings, little jewelry.
Look, there's Dante.
Where's Dante? Oh, look, Dante. From if you haven't seen Coco, we just watched it this week. Cute movie, but this is Sev. That is Sev as a Disney character right there. Of course, all the Coco. Of course, it's Pride Month, so we got Disney Pride right here. All the rainbow, beautiful, love it. All the thermoses. Mugs. I used to have this mug as a kid. Let me see.
Well, not really, but...
Oh, close.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of. Hey, babe, come here. I remember, I was just telling them, I had this mug when I was a kid.
Oh, yeah.
I remember that mug as a child.
Look, this is from Up.
Yep. Grape soda. And of course, cookware. Oh, look at this little whisk. Little Mickey whisk. Of course, you want, nice Disney china. Well, everything here, of course, they got snacks, things of that nature in here.
Like gummy bears, people said they're like amazing.
Let's go. Let's find them. Yeah, they're there they are, right here.
Character.
Yeah.
Do we need that?
You want to try them? Holy crud, baby! Look at this.
Happy.
A little Mario down there.
So much.
I know.
So little.
Yeah, just tell you. That's how much.
4.5 ounces.
But welcome to Disney World. Okay, so, alright, we're going to go finish up here. We'll catch you back in the room. And we get back to our hotel room after lunch and we get greeted by this. Love the Disney touch.